Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a big day. It's gonna be a vlog because we are gonna go sign the papers and get our new house.
Yes.
Yes.
We're pumped.
Are you excited?
Get pumped in there.
Yes.
All you people.
So I have no idea how long this is gonna take, but I thought I'd take you guys with me. So we're gonna get the keys, sign the papers, we're gonna go get the kids because we don't have the kids, and then we're gonna go see the house, which I mean, I'm not gonna show you the entire house, but I don't know, I just thought this would be a fun vlog and we'll see what happens. I'm obviously gonna be making changes to the house and we're doing other videos, but I thought this would be a good little kickoff to that whole series.
It's a new saga.
It's a whole new saga. So let's get started.
You gotta listen up, listen up.
I have to go to the bathroom first. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do this. Let's get this thing.
There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings.
You look like you're going to school.
Off to school.
Off to a new house. Guess what? We got the keys. Yay!
Bam, got it.
We're excited. We're hungry, we're dehydrated.
Yeah, and
so
we have a lot of work to do.
We do.
Moving.
So I kind of feel stressed, but it's okay. It's like
awesome.
a good stress.
Let's do a high five. Let's do a high five.
Okay.
Nope.
Whoa.
That was
Wow, that was bad. So I think we're gonna get Chick-fil-A.
Yes.
Just drive through because we're starving.
That is all at this time.
That's it for this time.
Sandwich.
Number 7, just a sandwich?
Yep, and I'll do a large fry.
Alright. And is pepper jack cheese okay on that for you?
That is so good. Chick-fil-A, free Wi-Fi and tasty fries.
Everywhere has free Wi-Fi now. Don't you think?
Do they have tasty waffle fries? They don't.
All right, we're gonna do, first of all, it's like a disco in here because of my
That's cool.
shirt.
That's not a disco, is it?
No.
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 That's like a rave.
That's a rave. We're gonna do some rapid fire questions. It's gonna be quick.
So, this isn't trivia, what is the number one thing you're looking forward to in the new house? That's a good question.
It's a lot, but our backyard is amazing. Like, huge, amazing. It's so good in the backyard. And our patio.
We just found out it had a meditation circle.
It has a meditation circle with a rock. Like, it's cool. I mean, I'm probably not gonna use it like that.Maybe I should use it like that. I'm kind of stressed. Okay, what's your favorite part of the house?
I'm looking forward to the new third garage that I get to do garaging
things
in there. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, bye.
Just stuff it down there.
Stuff it down there. Okay, next question. What is the first thing you're gonna change?
We're changing the kitchen. The kitchen's like okay. It's kind of like a part, that and the master bathroom. I don't like the kitchen that much. I don't like the master bathroom that much. So we're changing the kitchen first. Then
To be fair, the bones are good.
Yeah, the bones of the house are amazing. It's just and I feel like the owners the previous owners might end up watching this video because they started asking me about being a YouTuber and I just have a feeling you're gonna watch this video. So anyway, if you're watching, I really like your house, but I'm just gonna change a few things.
But it's our house now.
Yes. This is bad, but so good. I'm so good at like not eating sugar, which I know this probably turns to sugar, but I don't eat like refined sugar. Josh just told me to turn on the camera because he has something funny to say.
It's half funny and half serious. Okay, I had an epiphany, and this is only half of a joke. It might exist, it might not. If it doesn't, I'm making this. You need like a little bib that has a ketchup holder right under your chin, so when you're eating and you're driving, you don't want to be hands-free. That's dangerous. So you can kind of like different, right in your chin.
I'm so glad you made me turn on the camera for this.
That's a great idea.
Are you gonna be on Shark Tank?
Yeah, I'm gonna pitch my ketchup bib.
Ketchup bib. I just turned the camera off and Josh is still going on about how that's a really good idea.
It's impossible to eat this without ketchup bib.
Alrighty, so we are back home. We're actually at our current house. This is not our house. We made a pit stop. We're actually gonna pick up the paint for the new house, because we already have painters coming tomorrow, we went with Repose Gray. I feel like that's kind of what so many people are picking for their houses, but that's just what I kept gravitating towards. Like I would see on Pinterest, you know, an amazing color of like a living room or a bathroom, and every single time without fail, it was Repose Gray. So that's what we went with. So Josh is gonna load it up here in the trunk, then we're gonna go to the new house and meet our kids. Are you ready to see the new house?
Yes, is it good?
Is it good? You've seen it before. Hey, lovey. Yeah. What? Oh, you like my shirt?
I love it.
Ooh. Are you excited?
Yeah. I want to move it.
My parents are here, but they don't want to be on camera. And my kids are obsessed with my shirt. And here's a cool white tree, and I like it. So here's the big window, loving it. We're gonna be changing the paint color like we talked about. All right, so we just opened our refrigerator, and our previous buyer or sellers left us. Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh, well, they left us champagne. Is
That's
that
cool.
champagne?
Yeah,
I don't drink, so I wouldn't know.
Champagne.
Hi guys, good morning. My camera actually died last night, so that was kind of unfortunate, but here I am. I'm actually back at the house, the new house. We are on the patio, and I wanted to show you this amazing patio and the backyard. It is so nice. So if we come out here, you can see the top of our house. It's a beautiful window. That's the living room window, and then this patio here is really large, and then it looks into our huge backyard. It's like seriously a very massive backyard. I just really love it. And then here is just the back of our house. I love the deck at the top with the big windows. We have this really nice little like table over here that kind of matches the house, the kiddos. So now we are getting buckled in, guys. We're gonna
go to Starbucks.
Yep, you know it.
And then we're going to Lowe's.
Then we're going to Lowe's. I feel like we're gonna be living at Lowe's for quite a while. Oh man, are you trying to get buckled in? It's not working?
Where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I.
So here we are in the exciting light switch section. The new house has hideous light switch plate covers. They're like yellow, so we're gonna get new ones, and that will really spruce up the place pretty quick, I think. So Josh is in the house with the painters, the repair people, like the painting people. They're gonna hang some new light fixtures. They're gonna paint. Yeah, they're already here, so that's really exciting. And yeah, I think maybe I'll just end the vlog here. Maybe I won't, I don't know. But if I do, then thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
There is a place where